Hi, I'm Gabe Schulte. I'm a junior at Energy Institute High School. And what drew me to energy is that my grandfather and my great uncle were entrepreneurs in the oil and gas industry, and I find that really fascinating. So, some of my extracurricular activities at school include the National Honor Society, the Youth Sports Club, and the Tennis Club. Some of my extracurricular activities outside of school include researching various topics, photography and videography to help market our family business. My family is heavily involved in dog rescue, so I have helped with transport, and I have recently volunteered to help with their marketing by making videos for them. Energy is a STEM school. That means it focuses on science, technology, engineering, and math. It's also a project-based school, which means that we are given various projects throughout the year and we are tasked to complete them. The projects come with a problem, and so what we do is we research the problem and try to find a solution. Once we find the solutions, we then score those solutions on a chart and we use process of elimination. Once we find the best solution, we then try to implement it into our project successfully. Once we have done that, we then make a presentation and we present to the community members of Houston. I have been a leader of several of these projects, including rainforest conservation, the Seattle homeless crisis, and a clinic in Costa Rica to combat the Zika virus. Recently, my group had just presented to approximately 120 people about our wet scrubber that fits inside a standard AC unit that would clean air by the Houston Ship Channel. Some things I have learned throughout these projects are making CAD models, 3D printing, laser cutting, JavaScript, and making robots by using Arduino. Some things I would like to learn is debate, either taking a debate class or getting on their team. Learn different programming languages such as C#. And I built a computer and I would like to know how to make them even better. Some things I like to do outside of school are play golf, learn and research about cars. I like to learn a lot about history, including family history and war history, such as World War I. I also like to research a lot about real estate and how money works. So one of my goals I achieved my sophomore year was making a video game in my computer science class. It was a game like Flappy Bird where you have two columns from top and bottom and the bird has to fly through. And each time the bird flies through, you get a point for every one. And if you hit one of the columns, you lose and have to restart the game. So one of the goals I failed to achieve my freshman and sophomore year were getting all A's. I finished those years with A's and B's, but this year I strive to get all A's. So some fun facts about me is that I won my very first fencing tournament a couple years ago, and I rock climb. I want to thank you so much for this great opportunity, and I look forward to the possibility of working at Marathon Oil.